So Glean is really focused on having an impact, creating an impact on people from the farm to the consumer and beyond. So our mission starts on the farm. We work directly with farmers to utilize fruits and vegetables that are considered excess or waste that they would either leave in the field or not have a home for. And so we work with them to help them utilize those crops to turn them into value-added products that are transparently labeled and clean alternatives. And then we donate back. So for every pound we sell, we donate a pound to fight hunger. So our mission is really based around reducing farm excess and impacting people along the supply chain. Glean was founded with a core product line of vegetable flours and powders. So we were working directly with farmers to take sweet potatoes, pumpkins, beets, and cauliflower and basically turning it into a powder that can be used in baking, soups, sauces, smoothies, and really any function in the kitchen. All of those products are single ingredient and natural, gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO certified. So we're really creating a category there with the fruits and vegetables. We've also recently launched a natural pet treat line and a protein gummy product line as well. I'm really excited. We've got a patented process with the protein gummies where we're extracting polyphenols from fruits and vegetables and binding them to protein. So it basically fortifies the protein and masks that typical chalky flavor and texture you get with protein products. And polyphenols really just have a lot of health and nutritional benefits as well. Our target market is pretty broad. You know, we've introduced several new products, which has kind of broadened that net a little bit. But one common demographic that we see coming back time and time again is the mothers. They love our products. They love to cook with our products, our flours and powders in the kitchen. But our protein gummies have really become a good staple in many of their kids' diets. They're a great way to add protein in a fun and sneaky way, and they taste great. So that's been great. And then, you know, with our pet treat line, it's really opened up a new market for us as far as reaching the demographic of pet owners, but also those who are looking for grain-free and gluten-free alternatives for pets with sensitive stomachs and allergies. We're in startup mode all the way. We're about 1.5 years old as a company, but we've seen great early adoption from consumers on both the retail level and the direct-to-consumer level, and we're really excited about that and the growth that we've been experiencing. We're at about 1,200 retail locations, primarily in the Mid-Atlantic on the East Coast, in Harris Teeter's, Fresh Markets, Ingles, and Food Lions. And then we have a strong online e-commerce presence right now from our website and also on Amazon. Yeah, so as a startup, but specifically with a background in fresh produce, we kind of jumped in blind to the grocery side of product manufacturing and distribution. And so that's been the biggest shock for us, going from distributing fresh fruits and vegetables straight from the farm to the grocery store where they turn in weeks or even days, to distributing and manufacturing products that could take much longer to turn. And so learning the ins and outs of the grocery industry and understanding how that process works in comparison to fresh produce has been the biggest shock for us. When we look for strategic partners, we look for several things. You know, right now, in the form of just retail partners, we're really trying to be strategic in working with partners that really want to stand behind our brand and our mission, but that will allow us to scale efficiently and in the right markets. Well, you know, I think the biggest thing about Glean and those who want to invest in us and our products is the impact that we have and the impact that we can have together. Our biggest staple of our mission is driving community. And so we want to drive community with farmers. We want to create awareness about what they go through, the hard work that they put into growing our products that we utilize for our finished products, and then being able to take that community and carry it on through the consumers. There's a lot of people who are looking for clean and healthy products and might struggle with understanding where to find them or how to use them. And there's also just a lot of people who want to eat healthier. And so driving that community on that level allows us to partner with those consumers to also give back to those in need. And that's the biggest part of what we want to do as a company, is create an impact for those who are less fortunate.